the 2026 Mercedes-Benz CLA Electric, Tesla killer from Stuttgart. Introduction, the next generation of electric luxury. What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the Prime Motor today. We are breaking down a car that is arguably the most important launch for Mercedes-Benz in a decade. This is the all-new 100% redesigned 2026 Mercedes-Benz CLA Electric. For years, if you wanted an entry-level luxury EV in the United States, your options were pretty much limited to a Tesla Model 3 or a Polestar. But Mercedes-Benz is changing the game. This isn't just an old gas car with a battery slapped under it. The 2026 CLA Electric is built from the ground up on a brand new architecture, derived directly from their ultra-efficient Vision EQXX concept car. It features an advanced 800-volt system, jaw-dropping range, and a price tag that will shock you. Let's dive straight into the crazy tech functions, the battery performance, and the official US market pricing. 2. Exterior design, the slippery sci-fi sedan. First, let's talk about the look. Mercedes has kept the iconic, sleek, four-door coupe silhouette that made the original CLA a massive hit with younger buyers in America. Aerodynamics, this car is incredibly aerodynamic, taking cues from the Vision EQXX. The body is designed to cut through the air with minimal resistance, which drastically improves its highway range. The starry front grille. The front panel features a seamless gloss black surface, illuminated by dozens of tiny, glowing Mercedes-Benz three-pointed stars. Flush door handles, to maximize efficiency. The car features automated flush fitting door handles that pop out when you approach the vehicle with your phone or key fob. Seamless lighting, the front and rear LED light bars wrap entirely around the vehicle, giving it a futuristic, sci-fi presence on the road at night. 3. Battery, 800V architecture, and US charging. Now, let's look at the engineering because this is where Mercedes completely dominates the current compact EV market in the US. The 800-volt system. Most EVs in this price bracket use a 400-volt system. The CLA Electric jumps straight to a high-end 800-volt architecture. Hyper-fast charging, because of that 800V system. The CLA supports up to 320 kilowatts DC fast charging. If you plug into a compatible high-power public charger, you can pull in 201 miles of range in just 10 minutes. A standard 10% to 80% charge takes an incredible 22 minutes. The Tesla NACS port, great news for American buyers, the 2026 CLA is among the first Mercedes models in the US to come equipped with a native NACS, North American Charging Standard port alongside standard J1772 adapters. This means you can plug directly into the massive Tesla supercharger network across North America without needing an annoying third-party adapter. 4. Performance, RWD versus 4MATIC AWD. In the US, the electric CLA launches with two distinct models that offer a great balance between efficiency and straight-line speed. CLA 250 Plus, rear-wheel drive. This model features a single, permanently excited synchronous electric motor mounted on the rear axle. It produces 268 horsepower and 247 lb-ft of torque. It will sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 6.6 seconds. This is your ultimate hypermiler. CLA 354 MATIC, all-wheel drive. If you live in the Northeast or Midwest and need all-weather grip, this dual-motor setup adds a motor to the front axle. It bumps power up to a healthy 349 horsepower and 380 lb-ft of torque, dropping your 0 to 60 miles per hour time to just 4.8 seconds. The two-speed transmission. Unlike most EVs that use a single-speed setup, Mercedes utilizes an advanced two-speed transmission on the electric drive unit. This gives you punchy acceleration around town while maintaining peak efficiency at 75 miles per hour on American interstates. V. Interior function, MB.OS and the super screen. Step inside, and the cabin makes a Tesla look like a rental car. The tech inside the 2026 CLA is heavily focused on AI and seamless user experience. MB.OS, Mercedes-Benz operating system. This is the debut of Mercedes' proprietary operating system. It is incredibly fast, features crisp 3D graphics powered by gaming-grade processors, and utilizes facial recognition to instantly log into your personal driver profile. The MBUX Superscreen, the dashboard can be configured with a beautiful pillar-to-pillar glass superscreen that stretches all the way to the passenger side, offering dedicated streaming, navigation, and entertainment options. Fixed panoramic roof, a standard massive, fixed panoramic glass roof runs the entire length of the cabin, making the compact sedan feel incredibly open, spacious, and premium. 6. Safety, next-gen MB.Drive. Safety is a massive selling point for the US market, and Mercedes has rebranded its safety suite as MB.Drive. The CLA features standard blind spot assist plus with exit warning, lane keeping function, and PRE safe sound, which emits a protective acoustic tone to save your eardrums in the event of a crash. Advanced parking automation, called MB.Drive Parking Assist, allows the vehicle to safely map out tight suburban parking spaces and park itself flawlessly. 7. Official 2026 US pricing and trims. Let's talk money, because Mercedes-Benz has priced this vehicle incredibly aggressively to steal market share from domestic EV makers. Here is the official US market MSRP. Model variant base US MSRP key spec/drive type. CLA 250 Plus, EQ technology, $47,250 268 HP up to 374 miles range, RWD. CLA 354 Matic, EQ Tech, $49,800 349 HP 312 miles range, AWD. Note, these base prices position the CLA Electric as an incredibly compelling luxury alternative, keeping it right under the $50,000 mark before destination fees and optional packages like the Pinnacle trim or the Burmester 3D surround sound system. 8. Conclusion, is it the best compact EV? The 2026 Mercedes-Benz CLA Electric represents a massive leap forward. With its 800-volt charging capability, natively integrated Tesla charging compatibility, and a starting price under $48,000, Mercedes is proving that entry-level luxury doesn't have to mean compromising on cutting-edge tech. It drives smooth, charges blindingly fast, and has the prestige of the three-pointed star. What do you think? Would you drop $47,000 on this stunning Mercedes CLA Electric, or would you stick with a Tesla Model 3? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If this deep dive helped you out, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and turn on notifications for more US automotive reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.